What's going on? This is Brett Snodgrass. Welcome back to another Freedom Friday. Super excited to be with you guys today. I got a good word for you guys today. So, if you've been in America, you know that the market is sizzling hot right now. When I talk about the stock market, hot, 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 hot. Talk about Bitcoin, hot, 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 hot. Stocks, hot. Real estate market, crazy hot, right? There's not a lot of properties out there. And when there is a property for sale, it is literally flying off the shelf. Everything is hot. Everybody has money. And I think Gary Vee, I'm sorry. Gary Vee said the other day that if you're not crushing it right now, that you suck, right? Well, I'm here to say I don't know what you're doing with your business, but we all know that the market is really, really hot right now. And today I want to talk about how do we maximize on the current market's condition. So the market is hot, and how do we maximize our businesses on the current market's condition? So one of the things that just would talk about the real estate market, for example, it doesn't know what's going on. It doesn't know that there's a pandemic going on, that we have to wear masks everywhere, that everybody has to stay home and work virtually, that we're all doing Zoom, that schools are kind of like off the grid. Like it doesn't know that everything has gone crazy because it's crazy hot, right? No one's told the real estate market that anything is going on. It's just selling houses like it's never sold before. And I've never seen anything like the market right now. Put a house out there for sale and it will sell. Um, so it's hot, right? So what are we going to do about it? What are you going to do about it with your business? How are you going to capitalize on the current market's momentum? And I want to talk about two things, right? And when I've been in this business, it's all about motivation and momentum. I've been doing this business for 14 years now. And I'm going to tell you, if you ask any business owner, any entrepreneur, it's not a straight line of growth. It's like you start here and you just grow year over year, the same percentage, 10%, 20%. No, it's not. It is a stair step. It's like pretend you're on a stairmaster and you're doing a stair step of growth. So what does that mean? One year you're plateauing. It's like, oh, okay, I'm not doing that well. And then you grow, and then you plateau, and then you grow, and then you plateau. And in my 14 years, it's been exactly like that. There's been some years that literally I've just paid the bills. Absolutely. Just paid the bills, just got by, just met my family's needs, and wasn't anything to brag about. But there's been some years that it's like, wow, we have so much going on. Things are working and we're kicking into gear. And that's when you grow. That's when you have momentum. And that's when you have to be motivated to crush it. It reminds me of this video game that I used to play back in the day, and it was called NBA Jam. You guys remember that game? I loved NBA Jam. You could literally jump from the free throw line, do 20 flips, and dunk the basketball, and it was awesome. But in that game of NBA Jam, there was one thing that you really tried to do, and that was to get on fire. If you hit 3 shots in a row without the other team scoring, you were on fire. Your basketball is on fire and you could not miss. And that is how you won the game of NBA Jam, was when you caught fire, is when you had the momentum, and that's when you skyrocketed your business. So right now the market is super hot. Maybe your business is super hot and you're like, this is going amazing. And I'm going to tell you, it is time to get motivated, because now's the time when you have that momentum and you're motivated. This is when you scale. This is when you grow. This is when you can scale your business to couple years later. You look back and like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what happened, but I love it because here we are today. And that's exactly what happened to me. So now it's time to scale. Now's the time to grow. And it's trying to capitalize on the hot market. So how can we do that? What are some ways that we can do that, especially as wholesalers? Is number one, get discounted deals. It's always been about getting discounted deals, always about getting deeply discounted deals. We used to call it, I got to get deeply discounted deals. Now it's just, hey, I just got to get a cheaper deal. It doesn't have to be deep discounts. Just give me a little bite on it, a little bit of discount, because if you get a little bit of discount, it's going to sell, right? So focus on, can you just get a discounted deal? And then there's buyers out there that's going to buy it. So focus on that. Another one is, what is working in your business? What is working right now for you? Maybe it's not time to go out and try something new, to try some different market, to do all that. Like, focus on what's working and capitalize on it. Do that more, right? Maybe there's a marketing channel right now that is working, and you're like, maybe I should try this marketing channel, this marketing channel. No, do what's working. Keep going and go deeper into what's working. Maybe there's, how you do your business, right? Maybe you doing deals over the phone. That's working. Maybe it's buying from other wholesalers. Maybe that's working. So get on all the wholesalers lists. Maybe it's relisting properties on the MLS. That's working right now. I'm sure it is. Maybe it's whatever it is, capitalize on what's working and keep building that momentum, right? If something's not working, you can stop that and go deep in to what is working. I already talked about this, but get motivated. Get motivated. Like, what do I have to do to inspire, to get motivated? It's time to get motivated, guys. And how do you get motivated? Maybe it's listening to this. That's one way. But how I got motivated is, I got a deal. Go get a deal. It doesn't have to be a home run. Doesn't have to be a triple, a double. Maybe it's just a single, a base hit. Just get a deal. Because if you get a deal, that brings confidence. And then you get another small deal. And then you get a third one, and you're on fire. And let's go. Success breeds success. So go out there and get a deal. Maybe you haven't got a deal yet. So start off before the deal. Get an appointment. Get the phone to ring. Start talking to people. The more you do, the more successful that you'll be. So go out there, and whatever success is, maybe it's an appointment, a call, a deal, whatever it is, get that, and then get that confidence and get motivated. So that's what I got for you guys today. Motivation and momentum. Get motivated and capitalize on the momentum with this hot market. This is Brett Snodgrass, Freedom Friday. See you guys.